All right, guys, so you just saw this example, what percent of 15 is 12. I'm just gonna explain it just a little bit in case that was confusing using our WKU like we've been doing in class. So first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and write down our WKU. As we know, this stands for words, known, and unknown. So we need to figure out what our words are, what our known is, and what our unknown is. So we need to go ahead and look at our question. So it says what percent, so that's something we do not know yet. It says of 15, so of 15 tells me this part is gonna be our whole. And it says is 12. This right here is going to be our part. So we have part to whole. Our is 12 is going to be the part of 15, our whole. We do not know the percent, so we're going to put X, and we know that all percents are out of 100. So there we have our WKU. Now we can go ahead and solve this using cross multiplication. So I'm gonna take 15 times X, giving me 15X, and I'm gonna multiply 12 times 100, giving me 1200. Now we have a simple one-step equation, 15X equals 1200. So we need to go ahead and divide by 15 on both sides to get X by itself, because now we have 1 here. Then we need to do this math over here. So we have 1200 divided by 15. 15 cannot go into 1. It cannot go into 12, but it can go into 120. So let's see how many times it can go into 120. Well, let's try 15 times 6. This is gonna give me 30 and 9, so 90, which seems too small. So let's see about one more, 105. Let's try one more because I think we're gonna get exactly 120. So we have exactly 120. So that went into it 6, 7, 8 times, giving me a remainder of 0. Drop down another 0, and we have our final answer of X equals 80. It was asking us about a percent, so let's go ahead and throw our percent sign. We have our final answer, box, highlight, circle, underline, star. All right, make sure that you have this written down on your paper, and then we're gonna go on to another example.